In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SMTP in Zoho Mail. First, sign in to your Zoho Mail account so you can access the settings you'll need. In Zoho Mail, SMTP is generally enabled by default, but there's an important detail to understand before you connect your account to a third-party app. Zoho requires the proper mail access permissions to be turned on, which means you'll need to make sure IMAP or POP access is activated in your account settings. Without that, external apps may not be able to connect successfully, even if SMTP itself is already available. Once you're signed in, look to the right-hand sidebar and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will open the settings dialog box. At the top left of that window, make sure the selected category is Mail. If it doesn't open there automatically, just choose Mail from the drop-down menu. Next, in the left pane, open either Mail Accounts or IMAP POP Access. The exact option you see can vary depending on your Zoho Mail account type, so don't worry if the wording is slightly different. Both paths are meant to take you to the same type of mail access settings. From here, you'll decide whether to use POP or IMAP. If your goal is to download emails for local storage and mainly use your account from one device, click the POP tab at the top. Then check the box to enable POP access. You'll also be able to choose whether POP should apply to all emails or only to emails that arrive after a specific date. Depending on your needs, you can also choose options like including spam folders and setting POP fetch behavior. After reviewing those choices, click Save at the bottom of the dialog box. If you want your email to stay synchronized across multiple devices, which is the better option for most users, click the IMAP tab instead. Check the box for IMAP access, and you may also see additional options such as auto-expunged emails and including archived emails. You can enable those if they fit your workflow. If needed, you can also configure extra IMAP preferences like folder visibility. When everything looks right, click Save. After that, the setup is essentially complete. You'll just need to use the correct server or host, port, and security mode when adding your Zoho Mail account to your email application. And that's it. Once IMAP or POP access is enabled, your Zoho Mail account will be ready for SMTP connections in supported third-party apps.